Uh, Hello everyone and welcome to today's presentations. We are group number 9, 23 GITB, and our group have 4 members: Minh Thoan, Nhật Huy, Quốc Hy, and Công Hoàng. So for today's topics, we're gonna talk about Linux and Linux distributions. So for today, Linux is an open source operating system that has gained significant popularity over the years. Based on Unix that can be installed on PCs, laptops, netbooks, even on mobile and tablet devices. Also, VDM consoles or servers, supercomputers, and more. So, in this presentation, we will explore what Linux is, why does it exist, the advantage or the disadvantage compared to other operating systems, and finally, we will dive into specific Linux distributions. So,
First, what's Linux? Linux is an open-source operating system kernel developed by Linus Torvalds in 1991 and is based on the Unix operating system and is known for its stability, security, and flexibility. Unlike proprietary operating systems like Windows or Mac OS, Linux is free and can be modified and distributed by anyone, and it had a strong emphasis on community collaboration, where thousands of developers worldwide contribute to its development. And the second, why does Linux exist? Linux exists due to a combination of factors. Firstly, Linus Torvalds wanted to create an alternative to proprietary operating systems that would be freely available to everyone. And additionally, he wanted to harness the power of community collaboration to continually improve and refine the operating system. Linux also provides an environment for developers to experiment, innovate, and create their own custom version or distribution. And next, we will listen to his presentation to talk about the advantages or disadvantages compared to other OSES.
So after my friend presentation, I will give you more information about the advantage and the disadvantage of the Linux. So firstly, we will go with the open source nature. Linux source code is freely available, allowing users to modify, customize, and distribute it as per their requirements. The second is stability and security, make it less prone to viruses and malware compared to other operating systems. The third is flexibility and customization, Linux allowing users to tailor their operating system into their specific needs. The fourth is the vast software repository. Linux distribution provides access to a vast repository of free and open source software, making it easy to find and install applications. And the last is cost effective. Linux is free to use, which can significantly reduce the software licensing cost. So continue with the disadvantage. The first is the learning curve. Linux can have a steeper learning curve compared to other operating systems, especially for users custom Windows and Mac OS. The second is the limited commercial software support. Some proprietary may not have a Linux version, which can which can limit the availability of a certain applications. The third is the hardware compatibility. Although Linux supports a wide range hardware, there can be occasional compatibility issues with certain devices and drivers. The fourth is the lack of standardization, with numerous Linux distribution available, each with its own feature and configuration. Standardization across different distributions can be a challenge. And the last is gaming support. While the gaming scenes on Linux have improved, it still lag behind.
So now I will show you Linux distribution. Linux distribution, or you may call Linux distro, has many different distributions to help you complete various of your tasks. But for the purpose of this presentation, let's focus on the one popular Linux distribution, Ubuntu. Ubuntu is a user-friendly Linux distribution based on Debian. Its aim to provide a complete desktop experience while maintaining ease of use. Some key features of Ubuntu include intuitive desktop environment. Ubuntu uses the GNOME desktop environment, which offers a clean and modern interface. Software Center. This provides the Ubuntu Software Center, a user-friendly application for discovering and installing a wide range of software. Community support. Ubuntu has a large and active community that provides support through forum, documentation, and online resources. And also long-term support. Ubuntu released long-term support version that supports with security updates and bug fix for an extended period, typically 5 years. Like many other Linux distributions, Ubuntu has some great advantages like free operating system for personal and enterprise computing, work in a range of devices or computing platforms, user-friendly with a high degree of customization. About About disadvantage of Ubuntu, we have limited functionality due to limited application. Problem about software and hardware compatibility.
And that is the end of our presentations. I'm glad that you enjoyed hearing from our presentations. So if you got anything stuck in your mind, feel free to ask us some questions. I hope after this presentation you will know more about Linux and Linux distributions. And that is the end of our presentations. Thank you for listening.